There today I show you my portrait pro art printing Photoshop action, how to use it and custom it. There is previously applied some result. You can watch now my screen. See, this is the auto color replace in the background, in photo color replace in background, or watercolor painting in realistic. You can change color and everything. Every layer is editable. See, the color replace is perfectly, and see the on color. This is the multicolor photo, so then this look like a multicolor. And dog photo, see the replace color, and dancing photo and animal photo is so nice concept, fine art looking, and photo effect and photo background art include in this script by one play. This is the original image, and another original image would be here, original image, our effect, and our effect, another one. Now I show you how to use it and custom it. Okay, first go my download file. There is show brush file, help file, pattern file, and the action file, this one. So you need to load brush first, or you can read the help file. So there is important information include, look like there is our supporting information, and the written there, and the written format how to use include. Okay, and load the pattern. You can select brush load first, select and double click it, and it's loaded to Photoshop automatically, or you can load manually. Select and double click brush and load automatically, or you can load manually. Make sure just it. Go window and the brush first, click and more option, click and input brush, and find out your download location in my file. So I have find out my file in folder. This is the folder, and select the brush. There is show only brush because brush loaded option. Select and load button, click. Now brush is loaded. Last one is my load brush. Okay, now go window and load the pattern option, click and go this option, more option, input pattern, and find out my folder, this one, and select and load button, click. Now it's loaded. Go window and action option, click. Now action option show you the right side. I have set it left side for better understanding purpose. Click the more option and load button, click. Find out the location, my location, and there is show pro art painting by American. Select and load button, click. Up and down option, this is the down option folder, and this is the script. Now I want to open a photo. Firstly I have open this photo, colorful photo. So if your photo is not enough space in top, bottom, and right side, left side, you can make first size for brushing showing purpose. Okay, I think left right is perfect, and I have checked the image size. Make sure your image is the standard quality size. I have typed there 3500 pixel. You can use any size of image, and a high resolution is work perfectly and nicely. I just standard size type, and make sure your photo is a lock icon show, background name is background. If not, then follow this step. Sometimes some photo look like PNG, like transparent PNG or layer 0 format. That is not accept our action. You need to fix it. If your photo is PNG or transparent, you need to fix it. Right button, click the layer option, mouse and fit an option, click. Now is set a lock background layer, and make sure your photo is RGB color mode. If not RGB color mode, then go image mode RGB color. If shown images, click the OK button. Now I have quick selection tool, select. There is the quick selection tool, more option tool, and you can select. If you select the quick selection tool, then there is the select subject button show. click the select subject button, and there is auto select your photo, see, and create a new layer, and double click the new layer text option, type there BRUSS brush, and click other space. Make sure your spelling is perfect, BRUSS brush. Do not include any other character, space, hyphen, comma, or uppercase, lowercase, mix up character, only lowercase. If you don't follow this, then action make the error message. So I have select the pen bucket tool, or you can use the brush tool, and I have select the color and color change, and pick the color in my selection, see, in brush layer. So you can use, if you want to the portrait only, so then you can use the brush tool in portrait style. Now selection mode is on, we need to deselect first, then apply the script, otherwise action make the error result, show the error result. Selection tool and deselect, see, now is deselect. And if you want to the brush manually, if some of area mistake our selection tool, so you can brush manually in soft brush or a hard brush. Just make sure you brush the brush layer, and you have to select the brush layer. Okay, and now I have select the all-in-one play action play me, and hit the play button. Now start working is deepen your PC configuration and image resolution size, and we have include color combination and all layers separate. We have include some different type of effect, and by unview the layer, you just pick the layer and show up a new look. Just wait and see, I will show you some extra tricks, advanced tricks. It's working, still is working because I have used the high resolution image. Hello there, action is done working. Now we can custom. So this is the finishing stop message. See the default setting, this is our default setting result, and I just introducing now every layer and how to custom an effect. This is our photo, top photo. Now show in this photo for top position, and there is the another option, the dropping. See the dropping, this is the paper option top, and we have always used the back paper option. See, if you don't like the paper option, you need to uncheck the paper. So first uncheck this one, this paper effect back, and top paper effect, just uncheck the two. Now there is no paper, and you can make the transparent PNG, uncheck this background and this one background. Now your photo is a transparent, and you can save it PNG transparent, the quick export as a PNG. Okay, this option is, but now I do not need this, I just show you. And there is the effect look, I have used another one, I have unchecked this one and use this one. This is on kind of looking, and another looking, and another looking, see, and another looking. So you can use this effect, and this is the real option, and this is the shading. If you use this one, so see this one, the looking is changed, see, different. And if you want to the background color addition, change the black option, so you can use the black, and another soft darkness color added, just add the color, and another color add. If you want, you can use it, and hide the black and white, then looking is another, or you can hide the two, then different looking hour. You can use this one and this one, there is one kind of looking, and use the black addition, another looking, and hide this one, another looking. Now also use the color multicolor option. If you use this one, there is the multicolor option show, and you can double click this option and change the multicolor anytime. You can use any of color in very easily and combine very easily. See, color is changing, and just OK button click, then color is changed. But I do not need this, my default looking is perfect. I think this one is a perfect now, and there is the option top. If you uncheck, like to uncheck, you can uncheck it. Now I show you another photo, how is work the portrait. This is the tiger photo, and I firstly make the size for others area showing purpose. See it. Okay, and check out the image size is very large. You can use it, but extra time needed, so I have typed there 3600 pixel. And quick selection tool, select and select subject button, click. You can use any of other tool, but we recommend follow our step. Brush, red color, and I have brushed the portrait style. I have brushed the brush layer. If you want more side outside, see. Okay, I think it's perfect now, and I have deselect, and all in all hit the play button and start working. See, it's working nicely. I show you now another group folder. Just wait and see another tricks. See, stop message show. Okay, this is the result, and I show you the package, the backart, this all. Check this one, and there is the more option. I have uncheck. You can use the more option. Whiteness, you can use this one, and another for dark looking style, and another one for another dark looking style. If you uncheck these two and use this one, another looking, and another, but I recommend our default, and you can check out sometime this one for extra needed if you need this. See, extra color and extra color added there. This option, the extra color we have include. See the looking, now extra color show. Or if you want to your photo work, select the max point and the brush, then back support photo is shown now smoothly, because we have set up the back support photo. See, make sure top color is black. This is the max option, and you can use this one and another looking. You download this product. Our description include a link. Check our description link, or you can visit our shop, Creative Market MRI Studio. There is the available download. You can download another product, related product. Thanks for watching this video. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message our profile or our supporting number including help file.